Hi everyone, this is Rashekar, Assistant Professor in EEE Department. Through this video, I am going to demonstrate an experiment called speed control of DC motor. I have taken a 1500 RPM 2 kilowatts DC motor and the applied voltage is 220 volts and it draws a no load current of 2 amperes. Now, I want to see how this experiment can be conducted with the help of this tool. In this is the armature and this is the armature resistance, this is the field and this is the field resistance. These three are the meters. So this is the meter which reads the ammeter, which reads the armature current, this reads the field current and this reads the line current. And this is the armature resistance R1 and the maximum resistance is 150 ohms. And if I drag this, what will happen is the resistance slowly gets reduced. And I can vary the R2 through this slide bar. And this is the speed at present. When I switch on this DPST, now the motor will slowly pick up the speed. Now, to conduct this experiment, what we have to do is first we have to keep the R2 or resistance in the field is minimum and resistance in the armature as maximum. If I slowly cut the resistance in the armature, so armature resistance slowly getting reduced, you can observe there is a change in the speed and there is the change in the back EMF. When I fully cut the resistance, now the speed is 1496. So through this armature control, you can achieve the speeds below the rated speed. Since 1500 is the rated speed, I can get up to 1496 RPM. Now I am slowly adjusting the R2, that is the shunt field resistance, so that I am getting a speeds above the rated speed. A slight variation of R2 will drastically increase the speed. So like this, uh, uh, we can control the speed of the motor. Now, if I reduce the speed, if I increase this resistance, now the speed I am adjusting to 1200 or 1193. Now if I increase this resistance, the speed is increasing. So we can observe the change in the speed when these two resistances are being adjusted. So by adjusting the R1 and R2, we can adjust the speed to our rated or selected value. So two experiments can be conducted. One is armature control method, keeping R2 minimum and adjusting the R1, and keeping R1 fixed and varying the R2 flip, that gives the field control. So I have used PowerPoint presentation to demonstrate this experiment, and once again I'm going to show you when I keep the armature at maximum position and field resistance at minimum position, and when I am slowly adjusting the R1 or slowly dragging the resistance R1, you can observe a speed change. So now all the armature resistance has been cut out and adjusting the speed by field resistance. So slowly when I am increasing, and at the same time you can observe how this back EMF is getting varied. So this demonstration helps the students to understand the concept how the speed is being controlled and what is the part played by the resistance in series with armature and series with the field. So thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel for latest videos. Thank you very much.